Hey guys, welcome to another video. I wasn't going to do a video of this, but I figured since I'm done, I'm just going to give you guys a quick tutorial or half tutorial. So I'm changing the high pressure fuel pump. This is a 2016 BMW 428i Grand Coupe. I'm not going to start from removing the engine cover because most of you probably already know that. If you don't, look at one of my other videos and I describe how to remove the engine cover and the little the noise damper thing or whatever. But this is your fuel pump here, right? There's a few tools that you need for this before you even start. So you're gonna need a size, what I'm gonna use that. So a size 30 T-socket for these bolts right here. There's one on each side. And then you will need a 17 millimeter wrench, and that's for this this one here, and then that one there. Those are both of the lines that hold the fuel. And then you're gonna need a size 22 in order to turn the engine to top dead center if you need to once you have it open. In order to do that, if you look closely down, this bolt right here, I can't focus for some reason, but that's the bolt that you need. So if you just look straight down, it's a big fat one, 22 millimeter. All right, now you're gonna need some towels because when you take this off, it may not spray anything, but at some point while you're working, it randomly sprays. I don't know why, but I did get a little bit of fuel over here. So this is your connector here for this port. As you can see, it has a little gray tab on it. You don't push this in, you basically pull it down. So you pull it down and then you can pull this thing out. And then I forgot to put the bracket back on here. So good thing I decided to do this video because I would have forgot all about it. So I've got to take the actual fuel pump back off because I forgot to put the bracket inside. So this little bracket sits right under the bolts, in between the right under the fuel pump and the. So before you put these bolts in, you're gonna slide this one in there and then put the bolts on top. Basically, you'll see it when you take it out. But yeah, so you just remove those bolts. So 2 screws. Make sure you get 2 replacement screws. Don't try to use the same ones. Once you're inside, once you get the old fuel pump out, you're gonna replace a gasket. Okay, very important to replace that gasket. Also, this little thing here, I forget what it's called, but this is gonna be sitting inside. If it's all the way up, you need to turn the engine to top dead center until it goes down. But take the old one out. These are super cheap. If you could just get this whole kit on FCP Euro, it's super cheap. But this thing here, just pull it out. When you're inside, you're gonna be like, how the hell do I get it out? Basically, this sits along the wall. Just stick your finger in and just grab it just like this and lift it all the way out. All right. And there you can see the bottom looks like that. It has a little ridge on one side. This can only go in one way. When you look inside of the when you're looking inside of the, bring it over here, inside of the hole for the fuel pump, it goes like this with these little holes to the side. But this little thing, you'll see like a little indent on the wall where it just slides right in. There's only one on one side, so you can't get this wrong. There's only one way to fit. Once you sit it in, just make sure it's all the way down. Don't push it, but turn the thing to top dead center. You'll see it move down. If it's moving up, just turn it the opposite direction until it's down, and then we can put it all back together. So I was able to do this without moving the whole brace, as I've seen in a different video. I was able to get it done just like that. As long as you have just like a small extension, you can get it done. And then the only thing I moved was that top thing because I started to remove it and I was like, let me just try without. So fortunately, I didn't have to remove that whole thing. So, but that's it. The job itself is not too long. The only thing that took me a while was trying to figure out how to get that little piece out. And then I realized you just slide it right up. It takes like 2 seconds. But that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm actually going to take this one back out because I totally forgot to put the little thing inside. And then that's it. I'm gonna plug everything back up and then restart the car. Yeah, thanks for watching the video, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, guys. Later.